Hello everyone. We're working on Unit 4, Lesson 3 today, and we're focusing on word study. The first word we got here is cereals. It's a noun, and as you can see, this has two parts, C and reals. It's a family of plants which we use for food. They're not the same as vegetables. They all produce something called grain, which is the part that we use for food. Now, see the picture below? Wheat and rice are cereals. Look at the picture below and name two more cereals. As you can see, there is wheat, there's rice, rye, oats, corn, barley, and there's oh yeah, it's called cereals here, and there's the grains. Other type, I'm not really sure, but you can pretty much look it up on Google. I'm so sorry, I'm not gonna look it up for you. You can do that. In terms of convenient, it has three syllables, convenient. So it's an adjective, easy to use, easy to get. My house is convenient for the meeting because you can all reach it easily. It means suitable, in other words. The 3:45 plane is the most convenient. It leaves and arrives at a good time. Now, why is junk food often very convenient? Well, it's convenient maybe because it's a quick made meal, and you don't have to carry a lot of items. You don't need lots of items or elements to make it. So it's easy. It's quick, and it doesn't need many items to make it. So these are the three main reasons why junk food is usually convenient. So it's easy to get, easy to make, on the go to get, and it's actually quick to make. Now, energy has two syllables, energy. It's a noun, the ability to do work. An example here is the petrol supplies the energy to move cars, and electrical energy is a clean form of energy. And complete the sentence: food supplies the blank for the human body. Yeah, energy. Food supplies the energy. Extra, intra, it's an adjective, it's added, more than usual or necessary. And during the pilgrimage, Satco operates extra buses in Mecca and Medina. Sorry, getting a call. All right, so you want to complete the sentence. Your marks in this exam are not very good. If you want to get better marks, you will need to do extra work. Yeah, in gain, it's verb and it's regular. If you gain something, you have more of it. For example, if you gain strength, you become stronger. He has gained strength since he came out of hospital. If you gain weight, you become heavier or fatter. He has gained 10 kilos since last year. What will happen to you if you eat too much? You gain calories and extra fat and so on. Now, store is a verb and it's regular. To store something is to put it in a place and keep it there. It's more of keeping something inside somewhere. You must store many kinds of fresh food in fridge if you are not going to eat them immediately. Now, some animals collect food in summer and store it for the winter. What does the human body do with the extra calories? It's just stored in the body as in the form of fats. Now, substance. It's two syllables and it's a noun, a material. Ice and water are the same substance, but they are in different forms. Well, there is a problem with the sentence, and you can just say it in a different way. It says, ice and water are made of the same substance, or contain or consist of the same substance, but they are, they they are in different forms. You can say, but. They are produced in different forms. Now, can you think of another substance which can have different forms? You mean like ice and water? I'm not so sure. Two things. The desk and another type of table or chair are made of wood. So it's just the same substance. Next word is unfortunately. It has three syllables and it's adverb. The meaning goes here like when you say or write the word unfortunately, it means that you are sorry about something. Yeah, it's just feeling sorry about losing something or not having something or not reaching something or just a bad luck and so on. That it is not what you wanted to happen or expected to happen, or that you do not think that it is right. So unfortunately, I cannot come to see you because my father is ill. So you're just being sorry about what's happening with not being able to, see your friend. I'd like to help you, but unfortunately, I can't. Now make a sentence which begins with the word unfortunately and continues with because. Well, unfortunately, I'm not gonna stop in this more. Sorry, at this point, because I'm gonna continue the next exercise with you. So let's just follow on. A word study, write the part of speech next to the word, then choose and fill in the right word. As you can see, it's just as usual. We need to choose a part of speech first. Let's work with our notepad here. Okay, now the first one is convenient, fresh, attractive, and balanced. They're all adjectives. And if you want to think about number one, okay, let's just read it very quickly. I'll be playing a student role here, so you may want to just go along. The number 11 bus is very blank. It leaves the right time. It stops outside my house and it stops outside my school. So you can just say the number 11 bus is very it's very, I'm not gonna say fresh food, for example, or attractive, and it's not balanced in terms of, being available somewhere. So it's more of convenient, okay? All right. And two, the meal it contains exactly the right mixture of food. When it's the right, then it's more likely balanced. The word right will tell you what to use. I think that this picture I like the colors. When you like something and it's about colors, it's more of attractive. And number four, I don't like to eat food from the tins. I like fresh food because it's not coming from tins. Sorry, this is number four. I'm not going to numerate anymore. Okay, now let's move on to the next part. You got diet, energy, fuel, substance. They're all nouns. And let's just see which one is going to work out here. Okay, I'll numerate again. Some animals eat only plants, some eat only meat. That of other animals contains both plants and meat. Well, the substance, because you got ingredients, something is a element. Okay, now scientists, let's just pretend this is me, just a student, okay? That's how I think out loud. Scientists are looking for a new, instead of petrol to use for cars, fuel, and then food is strong, which is useful for building. Wood is yeah, come on. Maybe you want to say substance. Oh, okay, I'm a student here and I'm getting confused. What do I do? Let's just get back to number five. Some animals eat only plants, some eat only meat. The of other animals contains both plants and meat. Well, maybe you can pretty much say the diet. Uh, yeah, the diet. It's just about the food style. It's sorry, what this kind of animals probably used to eat. So it's kind of a diet. It's not about losing weight like we usually use it normal terms. The wrong term actually. It's just about a certain style of food consumption. Okay, now let's just move on to number 8. The ability to do work is called energy. When you got energy, you can actually do something. All right, now let's move on to the last part before we just finish this video, and it's number 9. Supply, store, gain, and contain. They're all verbs. Supply can actually be noun as well as store, but gain and contain are restrictively verbs, or mainly verbs. Now let's go to number 9. It goes cereals, potatoes, bread, and sugar. Our bodies with carbohydrates, yeah, you could say supply. All right, because you're giving something to a body, then that's supply. Okay, now soft drinks, a lot of sugar, it's something inside the soft drink, so it's contain a lot of sugar. And when it comes to number 11, we can a lot of information in computer. We can store, we can keep, okay, a lot of information in computers. When it comes to number 12, if you eat too much, you will gain weight. That's what it is about. Thank you for watching. See you next video.